Good morning, Pontiac Parrots. It's Mr. Lewis, your technology learning coach, here again for another Thinking Thursday for today. So let's look at a few expectations before we begin. One, it's important that you fill out the form completely. You want to solve the problem using any blank paper or like a math notebook would also be good to work out any of your calculations. You want to explain your thinking. That looks like using words or pictures, and those pictures may look very similar to models. And remember, your problem must be turned in the following Friday. All right, well, let's get to last Thursday data before we talk about this Thursday. Let's look at the grade level participation. Now, out of the 66% of the third graders that responded, 43% got the answer correct. And so that was the 95 responses of the third graders that got it correct. 54% of fourth graders answered the Thinking Thursday problem of last week. And out of that 54%, 32%, and that's about 70 fourth graders got that answer correct. Good job to those 70 students. And in the fifth grade realm of data, 46% of fifth graders actually responded to the Thinking Thursday question of last week. But out of those 46%, 25% of the students got it correct out of those 54 responses. So congratulations to those 54 fifth graders as well. We definitely want to increase those numbers as we continuously do those Thinking Thursday questions. Let's look at the answers of last week, shall we? So last Thursday's data in third grade, which number rounds to 300 when rounded to the nearest 100? The only answer for that has to be the third one of 326. If I'm looking at 352, the 5 in the tens place lets me know that's going to round closer to 400. If I'm looking at 249, the 4 in the tens place lets me know that's going to round closer to 200. And if I'm looking at 235, the 3 in the tens place lets me know that that digit 2 is going to round closer to 200 as well. Fourth grade, in which number does the value of the digit 4 represent 10 times the value of the digit 4 in 400? So if I'm looking at the digit 4 in 400, I need to find a number in the thousands place, that digit 4 in the thousands place. Why do I need to find that digit 4 in the thousands place? Well, anytime I multiply a digit by 10, it moves that digit to the next place value. So it would be that next place value over in the thousands place. The only answer that has that is 54,321. 38 of you, my fourth graders got that correct, and that was about a good 54%. And that is the only answer where I see that 4 in the thousands place. So good job to those fourth graders that got that correct. Fifth grade, in which number does the digit 3 have a value that is 1/10 the value of the digit 3 in the number 9 and 3/10? Similar to the fourth grade question, except it's in tenths, so therefore I'm moving that digit to the opposite side of the decimal. It's going to move to the right. And so if that digit 3 is in the tenths place, I'm looking for the digit 3 in my answer that's in the hundredths place. The only one that has that is the first one. 82% of the fifth graders in this school got it correct out in those 44 responses. So good job, fifth grade. Like I said, we definitely want to increase those numbers as we move along. Let's look at today's question, shall we? Third grade, study the number line. Study it really good. Which fraction does the point represent on the number line? Is it 2 and 1/4, 2 and 1/3, 2 and 2/4, or 2 and 2/3? Fourth grade, study the fraction model representing the expression 2 times 4, 6, another set of models. With which other expression can be represented using the same model? 2 6 plus 2 6 plus 2 6 plus 2 6, 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4, 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3, or 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2. Fifth grade, here's your problem. Consider the model. Man, a lot of models this week. Which equation does the model represent? 9/12 minus 1/3 equals 8/12. 9/12 minus 1/3 equals 5/12. 9/12 minus 1/3 equals 4/12. or 9/12 minus 1/3 equals 3/12. So once again, boys and girls, study those models. Use your notebook or any scratch paper that you need to help you with those calculations. But remember, your problems and your submissions are due tomorrow, so on that Friday. Good luck, parents, and we'll go over those results next week.